everybody, it's Beth Hayes. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tonight's MyEcon topic is, why are you still broke? The truth about taxes. It's not your spending, it's your taxes. You make decent money, you just pay too much in taxes, and it's having a negative impact on your financial stability. You see, most of us here in the United States work for someone else. We are an employee, and we proudly help our companies provide goods and services for others. For this, our employer pays us well. But we are not being smart when it comes to paying our government taxes on those wages. Let's take an example. Let's say you make $4,500 per month in wages. That's good, that's a pretty decent wage, right? But then you're paying over $1,000 in taxes each month. Not so good. Like most of us, you're overpaying your taxes. In effect, you're giving the government an interest-free loan. You're letting them use your money, and you're not charging them a dime for that. And if you're lucky, you're going to get a tax refund next spring. Income shifting fixes all of this. You will learn how to keep more of your hard-earned income with you in your bank account where it belongs, instead of sitting in some government bank account. And when you put more money back in your paycheck, it can be a life-changing experience. You now have more money for bills, groceries, gas, even emergencies. You can pay down those debts that you owe. Maybe you can even take a nice little family vacation this year where you can spend more time with the people you love and make more memories. This is the money you're already earning. It's your money. Take it back. Send me a text message or leave me a comment so I can help you get started right now. Why wait? And one last thing. Maybe you're wondering why I'm sharing this information with you. Maybe you're wondering why it matters to me. While it's true that I would like to have you as a member of my team, it's more important to me that you have all the information you need to make your life the best it can be by having the best financial picture possible. This is my mission, to share this message with as many people as possible so they have the opportunity to improve their own financial outlook. So now you know. And hopefully that makes a difference to you. Maybe you find yourself in a similar situation. Maybe you would like to share this information that you now learned today about taxes with the people you love. And you can do that. And I can help you learn how you can do that. If you have the desire to make that change for yourself and for others, that's the very first step. That's the beginning. You need to start there, and I can help you with all the rest. It's not going to be that difficult. So start with yourself. Start with you and make your own financial future better. And then, if you have that heart and desire, if you really want to share this with other people and help them have a better life, then we'll work on that aspect of it next. Well, I hope you found value in this video, and if you did, please hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button so you can be notified anytime I post new content about MyEcon, about income shifting, about making money online, my cancer journey, or just my crazy life. You'll be notified if you hit that subscribe button and the little bell notification. I'm looking forward to getting to work with you and to seeing you on the inside real soon. And I'll see you on the next video.